Alright, so I am on my way to Cochon, and this place opened up actually right after Katrina, and I'm so glad it did. Cochon actually stands for pig in French. There's a lot of French and Cajun influence out here in New Orleans. This place is super awesome. I've eaten here so many times, since I was a teenager. I love this place. For over 15, 20 years now, I've been eating at this spot. I've never actually gone in and recorded content around it, so I'm gonna share with you guys some of their signature stuff that they're known for, and they're always updating and changing with the traditional Cajun, but with the latest and more healthier side, and just very high quality food. They also have a butcher right here, like when you walk up, where you can grab stuff. See right here, so you can come in and grab stuff that they've been aging. I'm gonna actually hit the restaurant on this one, so let's see if I can get in here. I don't have a reservation, I'm just really rolling up on them. The fried alligator and the oysters. How many oysters?
So on those oysters, you get half a dozen of those oysters to an order.
Okay.
That chili garlic butter alone, you're going to soak that sauce. Phenomenal. The alligator comes in a small plate, about yay big. And we only use the tender one for alligator bites instead of the tail meat. I don't cook that really well. I call it adult chicken nuggets.
Wait, so it's tail meat or not?
No, it's not tail meat. It's tenderloin instead of tail meat.
Tenderloin of
the alligator.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, turns out really nice. It's probably our two most popular starters.
Okay, nice. And then the boudin. Do you guys have any of that's the sausage, right?
So traditionally it is done in a clear casing. It's a pork and rice sausage.
Do you guys have any in the sausage?
And they do next door.
They do next door.
And they do sell it to go as well.
Okay, got
So if you wanted to get some of that at a time, yeah. Ours has been balled up, breaded, and fried.
So this is the fried one over here.
Yes, this is the fried one over here. So essentially, it's the same filling, it's the same inside, just slightly different, take a presentation on it. Traditionally with the whole boudin like that, you'll spread across crackers, things like that. Whereas this is both fried boudin balls. Really good though.
The Cochon.
So the Cochon selection tonight is gonna be a roasted pork shoulder, also known as the copa cut. Some muscle runs along the shoulder up into the neck of the pig. They slow roast it. It's tender. It's flavorful. They slice off about a 6-ounce cut of that, sear it off, and then serve it on top of our creamy grits, topped off with an onion grill. It's a slow roasted, Cochon. It's tender, it's flavorful. It's one of my favorite cuts they do.
Okay. Alright. And then, so this bone pork chop.
Pork chop, nice, big, thick, bone-in, double cut.
How big is it?
It starts off about 1.5 pounds, including bone weight before we cook it.
So that's
they started off in the smoker. They finished off with
3 people, or
it all depends. I've seen one person eat it.
Yeah. Okay.
I've seen people share it along with other things. Depends on how many starters you want to do and things like that. But it's not a small meal.
Yeah. Okay, got it. Alright, let me look it over just for a little bit more.
Take your time. If you got other questions, let me know.
Oh well, thanks man, appreciate it.
The Cochon, it's a crowd favorite, it's crowd favorite.
I'll definitely get that. The pork cheek.
The pork cheeks?
Yeah.
And that Cochon as well, yeah?
Yes sir.
That.
Thank you, bro. Hey, I wanted to come on here and just guide you through here. So you can see here that Cochon has a massive drink menu. The alcohol selection goes on and on with multiple pages of options to choose from. I'm not a huge drinker, but if you like drinks, they have a lot of unique stuff here. Now, they first bring you fresh bread, which you can see here. I tend to stay away from gluten, but I could tell that this bread was warm, soft, and fresh in-house. On top of their regular menu, Cochon also offers daily specials, which you can see here. I decided to add the braised pork cheeks after already ordering the chili dusted cracklings in their signature Cochon dish. This was one of their Monday specials and I couldn't resist trying it. Now, the environment was really nice. I came early so it wasn't too busy. I recommend getting reservations if possible because it can get very busy. The open kitchen is right towards the back so you can smell everything being freshly cooked. The staff here was super helpful in explaining the menu and helping me make choices. I really liked everyone here. Next, they brought out the chili dusted cracklings. When I broke them apart, the chili powder just burst out everywhere. They serve it with Steen's cane syrup for dipping, which adds a nice balance of sweetness to the spice. They also brought out the braised pork cheeks, which were served with a summer corn salad. The pork was incredibly tender. Something I noticed about all the meats here at Cochon, they really master that slow cooked, juicy texture in everything that they serve. Then they came with their most popular dish, the signature Cochon. And oh my god, this was so good. I mean, it is the name of the restaurant, and it absolutely lived up to the hype. It's a slow roasted pork shoulder served over creamy grits and topped with a rich onion gravy. The flavors were insanely good. This is the must-try dish when you visit New Orleans, a perfect blend of Creole and French cuisine with a modern twist. Now, I started chatting with my neighbor sitting at the bar, and she had one of the most famous dishes here at Cochon. I'll let her explain it to
She
you.
keeps saying this is the one. So that's the rabbit dumpling, right?
Rabbit
Dude,
dumpling.
explain to me 5 seconds how you were saying it before.
This is the best thing you'll ever eat. It's the perfect bite. It's creamy rabbit, tender, perfectly cooked vegetables, the best gravy, like great biscuits. This is it.
They have a lot of good alcohol here too, right?
Yes.
I've seen like all types of stuff on their menu.
Now, you know exactly what to do when you come to Cochon. This spot is a favorite among locals because it blends traditional Creole and French flavors with the modern New Orleans food scene that everyone loves. Make sure to like and subscribe. I've got more New Orleans food spots to show you before my flight back to Argentina.